Hmm. Okay, friends, now we are live. As today we discuss a topic tsunami. Okay, tsunami is an important topic for GS uh, prelims and GS mains, and also the topic is very important for the paper third in GS third in mains exam, and also is a part of first unit geography optional. Okay, first unit geography optional and as a geomorphology. Okay, now uh, as like we will discuss topic in points. First point will be what is tsunami. First point will be what is tsunami, and second topic will be uh, causes of tsunami, and third topic will be impacts of tsunami, and fourth topic will be disaster management of tsunami, yani how to save from tsunami. Okay, now first point is what is tsunami. First point we will discuss about what is tsunami. Okay, and second point we will discuss here causes of tsunami. Okay, causes of tsunami. Second topic is uh, impacts of tsunami. Okay, impacts of tsunami, and next point will be uh, disaster manage या distribution of tsunami area, है ना, distribution of tsunami. Okay, tsunami, and next disaster management. Disaster management of tsunami. Okay, now point is clear. We're discussing here about tsunami. First topic is what is tsunami, and second is causes of tsunami, and third is impacts of tsunami, and next is fourth is distribution of tsunami. Distribution matlab the area of tsunami, yani tsunami sensitive zone. Yes, tsunami sensitive area we will discuss in this topic, and disaster management. And in disaster management we will discuss about how to minimize disaster impacts of tsunami. How uh, how to minimize negative impacts of tsunami. That is a disaster management. Okay. First of all, we try to know about tsunami. Okay. The topic tsunami is a new topic in our UPSC field because last time, last tsunami was in 2004 in Southeast Asian country. Okay, like uh, simple sub point. First topic is what is tsunami. If you will study in books or study material and other books, you will find the word tsunami is a Japani word. There is no need about this like this thing because we are discussing here for the UPSC for civil service exam that we will focus direct what is tsunami. Tsunami is a harbor waves. Tsunami is a harbor waves. Yeah, tsunami is a harbor waves that affect coastal region. Tsunami is not oceanic waves. Tsunami is not oceanic waves. Tsunami is tsunami is harbor waves. Okay, tsunami is harbor waves. That his coastal area. Point is clear. Tsunami is a harbor waves that hits the coastal region and loss life and property. Okay, property. That is called as tsunami. Point is clear. What's what is tsunami? So tsunami is a harbor waves that hits coastal area and responsible for loss life and property, that is called as tsunami. Okay, all waves of oceanic region, yeah, all oceanic waves are not tsunami. Tide is not tsunami. Okay, tide tide is also tide is not tsunami. Okay, tide is not tsunami. Okay, oceanic current oceanic current is not tsunami. Then what is the tsunami? Tsunami is a harbor waves. Yes, tsunami is a wave that hit in harbor area in coastal region is called as a tsunami. Now, point is clear. And that first point was what is the tsunami? As like if any wave of ocean hits the harbor region. One point is what is the harbor and port? What is the difference between harbor and port? Harbor is the location, a harbor is the place, a harbor is a region in oceanic area that where park the sea. Okay, harbor is harbor is region, a area their park ship. It is called as a harbor. Okay, what is a port? Port means exit and entry point. Port means exit and entry point is called as a port, like Kandla port, like Paradip port. Okay, they are all called as a port. Port is connect with the uh, land, your continent, your state. Okay, in a country, and harbor is in oceanic part, is in a water body. Point is clear. Then waves a oceanic waves, if hit in harbor region very speedily, that this waves is called as a tsunami. Point is clear. Now next is what is the causes of tsunami? What is the causes of tsunami? What will be causes of tsunami? Okay, uh, okay, what is the cause? As like that is a water body, and it is an ocean. If you want the uplift, yeah, movement in water, how many process may be in movement of water? First will be if we hit from interior side, if we hit from interior side, if we hit from the sider part, if we drop a big point, yeah, big mass, okay, the reason may be three. First, hit from interior side, that may be volcanism, that may be earthquake, and plate conversion. या diversion, plate tectonic and exogenetic forces. Okay, the causes of tsunami may be endogenetic forces and may be exogenetic forces. Now we will discuss the causes of tsunami. Causes of tsunami, endogenetic forces. Okay, endogenetic forces and exogenetic forces. Okay, exogenetic forces. What is the endogenetic forces? In endogenetic forces, we discuss here earthquake. Okay, earthquakes, volcanism, and geothermal convectional current. Geothermal convection current. Okay, point is clear. Endogenetic force, exogenetic force. In endogenetic force, we discuss here earthquake as like if that is surface, that is ocean region. If there if there will be earthquake, the level sea level is will be shaking. Point is clear. And volcanism, the same thing. Before blast volcanism, there will be a shaking in crust. So shaking in crust means movements of water. If water move towards the coastal region, a harbor region very speedily, that is called as a tsunami. Okay, as like geothermal convection current. Geothermal convection current also is a reason, a cause of earthquake. Okay, earthquake and volcanism and geothermal currents, all causes, yeah, all reasons are responsible for the shaking in the surface, a shaking in the crust in oceanic region. Okay, if that shaking is above more than 7.5 Richter scale, okay, अगर कहीं भी सुनामी 7.5 रिक्टर से ज्यादा आता है, that is called as a tsunami. Okay, earthquake आता है तो next है what will be exogenetic forces. Exogenetic forces may be meteorites, and asteroids. Okay, asteroids. Meteorites may be cause of tsunami and asteroids may be cause of tsunami. है ना? If we drop a big uh, mass in ocean water body, then ocean water body move with the in towards the coastal region. That is also cause of tsunami, asteroids and meteorites also. Okay, uh, a large landmass slide, a landslide in the coastal region also may be cause of tsunami. But maximum tsunami is related to the earthquake. Okay, 99% tsunami is related to earthquake. Now point is clear कि causes of tsunami, there is a two type: endogenetic cause, endogenetic forces and exogenetic forces. Okay, endogenetic forces means the force hit from interior side in the crust, that is endogenetic force, and exogenetic force hits the crust from outer side, that is exogenetic force. Okay, in endogenetic force are earthquake, volcanism and geothermal current. Okay, and you can also say that is a plate tectonic. Okay, plate tectonic. Plate tectonic means movements of crust, movements in crust, yeah, movements in plates. They're all called as a plate tectonics. Okay, plate tectonics may be cause of earthquake, plate tectonic may be cause of volcanism, and plate tectonic may be cause of geothermal convection current. Clear? And exogenetic, that is a unconditional, okay, unconditional. Any a landmass from universe like meteorites and asteroids hit the oceanic region, and that may be cause of tsunami. Okay, now the next point is impacts of tsunami. What will be impacts? Okay, what will be impacts? What will be impacts? Impacts of tsunami. If you are in coastal region, how can affect tsunami? Okay, if you are here in coastal region in Tamil Nadu, if the waves come and hit the tsunami, what may be? First of all, there will be flood. Okay, floods. First, maybe there will be flood. Any coastal area, if tsunami hits, then there will be a flood. Okay. Next impacts, next effect will be destruction of destruction of infrastructure. Infrastructure. Infrastructure means loss, destruction of bridge, destruction of railway, destruction of hospitals, destruction of all buildings in the coastal region. They're all called as a infrastructure. Okay. Next part, landslide, landslide in coastal area. Okay, landslide in coastal area. Third point. And fourth is uh, loss of biodiversity. Okay, loss of biodiversity. Second is loss of biodiversity. Uh, Third is, and fourth is degradation of soil in coastal area. Degradation of soil in coastal area. Soil in coastal area. What is the soil degradation? Soil degradation means productivity of soil decrease slowly. The productivity of soil decrease is called as a soil degradation. If the water body of if oceanic water body cover in land, yeah, cover in field, yeah, cover in the crops, that will be oceanic water will be salty water. Okay, then the soil of our field, yeah, soil of coastal region will be salty. So the productivity of soil will be decreased. Okay, clear? Productivity, productivity, yani production of soil decrease. Yes, that is called as a soil degradation. That will be also a effect in the tsunami area. And huh, loss of biodiversity, loss of life and property, loss of life and property, property. Life and property means, life means that may be human being and also maybe animal and biodiversity. That is the life. Okay. You know, in 2024, kills around 1 lakh Indian. Okay, in tsunami. 1 lakh in tsunami. So when hits tsunami in any coastal region, that kills the people. So loss of life may be as a human being and biodiversity also. And property means loss of infrastructure, as like loss of hospitals, loss of bridge, loss of loss of railway, loss of all buildings in the coastal region. They're all called as a infrastructure. Okay, clear? Now, impacts of tsunami is clear. First will be flood in the region. Second, destruction of infrastructure. Next, landslide in the coastal area. If any flood hits in any region, the first impact is a landslide. Okay, and the next is the biodiversity, loss of biodiversity. If the hits in any region, so many animals die during the flood, during the landslide, and lack of food. Okay, and the next, degradation of soil. Degradation of soil we have already discussed. It degrade, yeah, loss of productivity of soil is the called as the soil degradation. Next is the loss of life and property. Now point is clear. What will be impacts of tsunami? Next point was is what distribution of tsunami. uh, in this topic we will discuss about the tsunami sensitive area in India and the world. The question may be which area, yeah, which region is more sensitive in tsunami disaster and less sensitive. Question may be which country may be affect tsunami, which country may be tsunami affected, yeah, which country or countries are not maybe tsunami affected. Okay, now so first of all, in India, if we discuss about in India, in India, tsunami sensitive zone is south and southeast India. As means if we state as a discuss state Tamil Nadu, okay, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and West Bengal. And is clear कि which region may be more sensitive region? Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and West Bengal in India. If we discuss about the world level, in world, in globe, okay, if we discuss about in globe, all coastal state, all coastal country may be tsunami effect. Okay, tsunami sensitive, sensitive zone. Point is clear. First of all, in India, that that region, okay, that region will be the earthquake sensitive zone. That region will be earthquake sensitive, sorry, tsunami sensitive zone. If we discuss about the globe scenario, any world scenario, all coastal region, especially equator, equator coastal country like Indonesia and South Africa and Brazil and Chile and UK and Egypt, all coastal country will be tsunami sensitive zone. Okay, point is clear. Next point, next point is disaster management of tsunami. What we should to control, yeah, what we should minimize negative impact of tsunami. Okay, listen one thing, we can't uh, control natural disaster. Okay, disaster will be two types. First of human created disaster and natural disaster, like earthquake and volcanism and tsunami. They are all natural disaster. We can't control, we cannot stop, हम इनको रोक नहीं सकते, बट इनके निगेटिव इम्पैक्ट को कम कर सकते हैं, बट इसके निगेटिव इम्पैक्ट को कम कर सकते हैं. क्लियर? फ्लड as like Delhi, as like Mumbai, as like Jaipur, as like Patna, as like Chennai, that flood is a human created या human activity result, है ना? Flood of metro city, flood of Mumbai, flood of Chennai, flood of Delhi. Okay, responsible for the responsible is any result of human activity, but tsunami is not result of human activity. Tsunami is not the global warming effect. Tsunami is not the climate change effect. Tsunami is a endogenetic effect and exogenetic. You have control astronaut? No. If you have control on meteorites? No. Okay. You have control plate conversion and diversion? No. If you have control volcanism? No. You have control geothermal current? No. If you have no control endogenetic forces and exogenetic forces like uh, asteroids and meteorites, how can control your tsunami? What what we should do to minimize negative impact, yeah, minimize disasters of tsunami? Listen carefully, we can't control tsunami. We can minimize negative impact of tsunami. What we should do? Okay, disaster management, disaster management of tsunami. Okay, disaster management of tsunami. First of all, what we should do? First of all, identify, yeah, mark the sensitive region. Okay, mark the sensitive region. Uh, you always see the administration control, yeah, administration impose ban, yeah, administration divert route during the disaster, yeah, during the landslide in the mountain, yeah, hill station area. Okay, in during the landslide. So we should mark, yeah, we should identify, yeah, we should clear, define which locations are tsunami sensitive region. Okay, first of all, mark, yeah, identify, mark earthquake sensitive region, mark tsunami region, tsunami sensitive region. Okay, we should clear define, we should clear define like maximum. These all state, West Bengal, Odisha, and Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, they are all earthquake sensitive region. What will be after this? After this, development of infrastructure control there. Okay. First of all, we should say our target is save the life, save the life, and minimize the losses of life and property. If there is no settlement, ever comes tsunami, what tsunami hit there? There is no settlement. Okay, if if we mark the sensitive region, then there will be no settlement, no infrastructure development there. Okay, that is the main object. Sensitive, identify the sensitive zone. As like Uttarakhand, as like Himachal Pradesh, there are so many places. They are all, they are earthquake sensitive zone. They are landslide sensitive zone, which a big company establish a any plant in Uttarakhand, Kedarnath, Badrinath. No, no any big company like Reliance and other company invest there. Reason, Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh is the earthquake sensitive zone. Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh is the landslide effect zone. Assam and Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh, they are flood affected zone. Okay, they are identified, they are declared by the government of India. So there is no more development there. Okay, so second, second development, yeah, develop infrastructure, develop scientific infrastructure for the uh, control tsunami times. Okay, development scientific infrastructure enduring in, okay, in tsunami sensitive zone. Okay, if we have instruments, if we have scientific development, if we have infrastructure, then we can know before 6 hour, 10 hour about tsunami. Though then we can easily save the people. Okay, there is a very lack of scientific infrastructure in India to know about the earthquake, to know about the volcanism, and know about the tsunami. So we should develop scientific infrastructure to know about the tsunami cause, या tsunami the time period, and tsunami the reason. Tsunami reason. Okay, and we can divide in three phases disaster management. We can divide in three phases in very short. First of all, during before tsunami. Okay, before tsunami, what will be before tsunami and at the time of tsunami, yani during the tsunami, what we should at the tsunami time and after tsunami, and after tsunami, what we should do. Before tsunami, before tsunami, mark, yeah, identify the sensitive area before tsunami, first of all. Second point, development of scientific infrastructure before tsunami. Development communication in tsunami sensitive area. Okay, first of all, क्या mark, identify tsunami sensitive zone, and second is development of infrastructure, scientific infrastructure, and third is the development of communication, yeah, development of road and other system to reach there. That is that will be before tsunami. Okay, and include in syllabus school and college about tsunami. Okay, include syllabus in school and tsunami about, and school and colleges about tsunami. that we can do before tsunami. At the time of tsunami, what we should do? What we should do? First of all, we rescue the people. Okay, rescue the people from tsunami. Okay, next point, provide primary health facility. First is rescue the people, and second is uh, provide primary health facility, and after provide the uh, a temporary shelter. Okay, that is a during the tsunami. Okay, and provide fooding. Point is clear. What is rescue the tsunami affected region? पहले बार निकालोगे ना यार, उनको रेस्क्यू करना है. एंड सेकंड पॉइंट, प्रोवाइड द प्राइमरी हेल्थ फैसिलिटी, एंड थर्ड इज प्रोवाइड फूडिंग, एंड फोर्थ इज provide temporary shelters. Okay, that is the during tsunami. And if we discuss about the after tsunami, provide provide compensation affected people. During tsunami, those people has affected, the government should provide compensation. Okay, and develop and restructure, and redesign infrastructure like road, railway, and other property. We should redesign या restructure. Next, we should development. We should develop more scientific infrastructure. That is the basic point of tsunami. Now that is clear. Uh, okay. First, we discuss about the what is tsunami. In this part, we will discuss about the tsunami is the harbor waves that hits in coastal region, that is responsible for loss and property is called as a tsunami. And basically, tsunami is a word of Japan. Okay, and causes of tsunami. In this part, we will discuss about the uh, hmm, causes causes of tsunami, endogenetic force and exogenetic force. Endogenetic force and exogenetic force. We have already discussed. Okay, and next we discuss about the distribution of tsunami. In India, southeast region and South India is earth tsunami sensitive area, and in globe region, all the coastal country are tsunami sensitive region. And what we should do minimize tsunami impacts. What we should do? Okay, and we have discussed, we can divide in three phases disaster management of tsunami: before tsunami, during tsunami, and after tsunami, है ना? Before tsunami, we should prepare for the future tsunami, and during tsunami, we will support, we will help, we will rescue, we should rescue, we should support tsunami affected people, and after tsunami, we should compensate, we should restructure of the of infrastructure. Okay, that is a main uh, after tsunami point. Okay, now that is our topic was tsunami. Next class we will discuss about the earthquake. Okay, next class we will discuss about the earthquake. Point is clear. Next class we will discuss about the earthquake. It is very important topic. Earthquake is also part of prelims exam, and mains GS paper 1 and mains GS paper 3rd as a disaster management, and mains optional paper 1st as a geomorphology topic. Okay, thank you. We will meet next day, tomorrow 5 p.m. for optional paper geography, and 4 to 5 for the in map. Okay, our class 4 to 5, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Map. Okay, and 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. geo optional. Okay, clear? Thank you. हो गया, मैं कर दिया क्या